Tesla Model 3 Transport Mode, formerly known as Tow Mode, is a software feature designed to prepare the vehicle for safe flatbed towing by professional services. When activated, it disengages the drive systems, allowing the car to be moved without electrical resistance from the electric motors or battery. This mode is essential for safe towing and prevents damage to the vehicle's electric powertrain, ensuring the battery and motors remain protected during transport. Unlike traditional gasoline vehicles, the Tesla Model 3's electric motors and regenerative braking system are not designed for free rolling on two wheels. Towing on a dolly or rollback could overheat the battery, strain the rear motor, or cause wheel hop due to the vehicle's front heavy weight distribution. These dangers can lead to serious damage, as shown in this hazardous situation where improper towing caused a fire. A high-profile incident in 2024 resulted in $15,000 in repairs after an attempted DIY two-wheel tow overheated the battery and motor. Always use flatbed towing for safe transport of the Tesla Model 3. To activate transport mode, start by parking the vehicle on a flat surface and engaging the parking brake. Next, shift to neutral using the drive stalk or touchscreen. Then, hold the brake pedal and select Transport Mode on the touchscreen, found under Controls, Service, Towing. A chime and display message will confirm the mode is active. Transport Mode includes several important safety considerations and limitations that protect both the vehicle and users. The mode disables the main battery's high-voltage system to prevent any accidental activation during transport, ensuring the vehicle remains completely safe and inactive. The mode lasts for up to 48 hours. If this time is exceeded without the vehicle being moved or restarted, it may enter a low-power state that could require a jump start or service intervention. This mode is exclusively for professional transport and not intended for user-initiated movement. Attempting to move the vehicle yourself could cause serious damage to the battery pack or other components. Always use certified Tesla-approved flatbed services to prevent battery pack damage and ensure the vehicle is transported safely and properly. These services are trained specifically for electric vehicle handling. Transport mode deactivates automatically after 48 hours or when the vehicle is restarted. If you need to deactivate it manually before then, simply restart the vehicle. Ensure the vehicle is on a flat surface before restarting to prevent unintended movement. Hertz operates one of the largest Tesla Model 3 fleets with over 10,000 vehicles. They use transport mode for efficient mass transports when redeploying cars across different locations. In one documented case, 50 Model 3 vehicles were successfully flatbed towed across multiple states without any issues. This approach significantly reduces shipping costs when compared to traditional rail transport methods. This real-world example highlights how transport mode ensures reliable vehicle movement for commercial fleet operations, minimizing risks and operational costs. Experts from automotive outlets like Edmunds and Motor Trend praise transport mode as a game-changer for EV transport. Per NHTSA data from 2025, EVs account for 10% of towed vehicles, up from 5% in 2020, with Tesla Model 3 being the most towed EV. A 2024 J.D. Power study found that 85% of EV owners prefer flatbed transport due to safety, citing Tesla's mode as a key enabler. Looking ahead to future developments, experts predict that by 2030, Tesla's full self-driving software will include integrated towing features. This advancement could allow the Model 3 to autonomously position itself on a flatbed trailer, making the process more efficient and safer for both the vehicle and operators. Additionally, the Model 3 could communicate directly with tow trucks through Tesla's over-the-air update system. This would enable real-time sharing of vehicle diagnostics and coordination of the transport process, making towing more seamless and reducing potential issues. Tesla's roadmaps include hints at tow assist features, such as remote mode activation and real-time diagnostics during transport. These would allow owners or service providers to activate transport mode remotely and monitor the vehicle's status throughout the process.